Hey everybody, welcome to YEA-FRAME. My name's Captain Pete. I'm here to help you build unique A-frames that others will envy. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. At this point, we're going to start digging for the footings.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Cyrus, of course I can dig it. Haven't you seen me digging? Do I need to keep demonstrating how to use a shovel? Well, long day digging, my back is killing, time to take a nice cold shower. Whew, hot, it's over 90, dug right through the afternoon. It's like it's like 6:15 right now. I got probably 2/3 of the footings are dug out to the right depth at least. Okay, well, good night.